Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 18th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the Euro-US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the Euro dollar, make sure you check out the video from this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So the Euro dollar did make a pretty good push down today, but I'm definitely still looking at this as an uptrend. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I think this is only a wave A. I have my Fibonacci retracement on this uptrend of 5 waves up. I am definitely looking at these Fibonacci levels of this move up. I think it's very likely a wave B. It could go down more. It could go down to the 61 or the 78, but whatever level it does decide to turn at, whatever level I see it nice engulfing and possibly move to the upside would be my next long opportunity. I think it's likely to go up to at least a 38 or a 50% to make a wave C. Kind of looks like it could be an ABC of 4 on the daily time frame. Then that would make for an even better opportunity to go short. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions and gives you access to all my swing trade setups by signing up at my website fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.